Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. In this episode I'm going to talk about my pressure washer. A lot of people has been asking me all the time how reliable is my pressure washer. This is a Duromax pressure washer, 2700 psi, 2.3 gallon per minute. And it's been really reliable. I've been having it for over a year now. No problems, no issues. But I have a problem last time that I used this pressure washer. And there's nothing wrong with it. The only problem was this gasket right here inside where you connect your hose. The gasket get damaged because I put the hose so many times. I went to the store and I picked up this kit for pressure washers. So hopefully that little filter gasket is gonna fit right on it. I'm gonna put it on. Also, I picked this quick release. This part is gonna go inside and this part is gonna go on the hose. Like that, I'm gonna try to minimize the time that I put the hose back in and out, because every time that you screw the hose, this thing is getting damaged, the gasket. This is why I'm bringing this episode to you guys, so I can tell you about the pressure washer, because everybody always asks me if it's reliable. Really good, reliable. I'm gonna put the link in the description for my pressure washer in case that you decide to get one. Yeah, so many times that you screw the hose in, the gasket got damaged, as you can see. Now it looks like it's the same size, so I get the right kit. I think this is universal. Now I'm gonna put a quick release. Right in there. Now with this quick release, I don't know if the flow of the water is gonna be the same, because when you put the quick release, this part is gonna come out. Then you connect your hose. So if I have this like that, probably the gasket is not gonna get damaged no more, because I don't have to screw it in and out all the time. So you just press on it and pull this part. Now I'm gonna connect this to my hose. There you have it. Quick release is gonna make the job faster, easier, but I'm interested to see the water flow, see if it's gonna be the same. Okay, I have a leak in here, but that's because my hose is old. It's a cheap hose, so I'm gonna have to replace that. If you see, it's leaking from this part, but this is part of the hose. Quick release looks like it's working really good. Now if I disconnect the hose, the water is gonna stop. Okay, everything looks good except for my hose. Think I need to get a new one. The pressure on my water hose is not really strong, and I was afraid that it was gonna happen. Most of the times when you just connect the hose, you're gonna see a lot of water coming out of the gun, but if you can see, no water, very little. And that's because of the quick release. It needs to have more pressure, and I was afraid of that. That's why I tried to test this, see if it's gonna work, but it looks like it's not working. So if I turn the pressure washer on because it doesn't have water going in, I don't think it's gonna be a good idea, because I might damage the pressure washer. So I'm gonna turn the water off and take the quick release. And I don't want to damage my pressure washer, so this part is not gonna work. Let's see the flow now. That's much better, and that's what you need to see, that type of flow. Okay guys, there you have it. Very reliable. The only issue in over a year is gonna be this gasket, just because the hose has to go in and out all the time. But the new gasket works. Now I know that my hose is damaged, so I gotta replace that too. But this kit, I get it at Home Depot. And this quick release. Unfortunately, the quick release didn't work because the water flow in my house is not really strong. And I don't think I recommend this for a pressure washer, because if the flow is not strong, it might damage the motor on your pressure washer. And there you have it guys. I'm gonna put the link in the description for my pressure washer. This is not super powerful, it's just right for what I need, detailing the vehicles, because 2700 psi and 2.3 gallon per minute does the job really well. Okay guys, I leave it with that. I hope this answered some of the questions that people has about my pressure washer. Link is gonna be in the description. And thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.